Alright, as you could see in the other video, this is running incredibly fast. Even on the very smallest opening for the throttle body. So I stopped it to drop some oil down in the cylinder. I also filled it up, put a little bit of extra oil in the fuel, and we will start it up again, make sure it's got plenty of lubrication, because I had that issue where it just locked up and it's running so fast I do not want it to do that again. And then, yeah, we'll run it a little bit longer. Or shutting it off while it was running has flooded it out real bad. Let's see if we can get it to go again. There we go, a little hot start.